Let me show you how to connect your E99 and E99 Pro drone with a smartphone so you can control it and also take pictures and videos using the app. So all we have to do is we have to go to the Play Store and search for this software, Wi-Fi cam. So then make sure to actually turn on your drone so it's flashing like this. And then we actually need to go to our Wi-Fi network settings, as this drone actually uses Wi-Fi to transfer data, and so we can actually control it using Wi-Fi. And it automatically will create a new Wi-Fi network, and to be called something like this, Wi-Fi 8K maybe, something similar to that. And we need to actually connect it. So simply click on it and wait a few seconds. So you see it's connected, but it can't provide internet. And also make sure to click this range icon over here and click this auto connect. So make sure this is enabled. By default it's actually not, and if you do not have that you will have troubles later. Then we can simply launch the app and let it load. So to take a couple seconds, and this is what the app looks like. We can click start, and on the app here you can see you have various controls. For example, as you can see, I can already see what's happening on this camera right here, and if I want to start a video recording I can simply press this and the video recording is started, and we can stop again by simply clicking it. Also we can take a picture as well, and if you want to see the images simply click this. You can see the pictures and also all the videos we have taken over here as well. Then when we click this thing here, we can actually enable the controls for this app. So we can actually control again this drone using our smartphone. Of course, we can also control it with a remote control, but sometimes I actually find the smartphone controls even better than this remote. For example, you can see I can start it up, and yeah, let's turn it off. So yeah, all the controls actually work really well on this app. Also we have all the tricks here we can do, all the adjustments, and pretty much everything that you can do on this thing here. Also there is this hand thing here over here which can actually take a photo. So for example, if I want to take a picture of myself, I can simply take my hand and show it to that drone camera and it will take a picture of me. So this is actually a pretty cool feature as well. And yeah, overall the app is actually really good for this drone. So yeah, if you want a good app and good drone, yeah, this E99 stuff is actually pretty good. Anyway, good luck flying.